Hello and welcome to a new lecture about Zycoo IP telephony. Today I want to explain about some features about Zycoo, and I want to explain about the U50 design or the device's design and how we can put the cards as if we want to put GSM cards or PRI cards or analog cards. So first I will go to Zycoo.com. We will search about Zycoo, then we will go to website, then we will go to IPPBX. So Zycoo, they have a lot of products. They have very good product about call center products. They have paging system and they have terminals for paging system. So in our course we will explain about IPPBX. So we have many devices. We have U20, U50, U60, U80, U100. All these devices are the same features, only we have in U80 and U100 different features like high availability. We can implement high availability in U80 and U100. So we can put two devices. If one of these devices shut down, the second device will run automatically. But regarding the features and cards, all of them the same. So first we will go to U20. If we click here, we can see U20 device. This is the device we can put. We have already 15 concurrent calls, so I can receive 15 concurrent calls at the same time, and we can put 32 extension. If we using IP phones, we can put only 32. If also we have two ports in the behind the device, if we can see it now in the picture. Now these two ports, we can put two FXS ports. It's depend on the model. There is models you can put two FXS. FXS means foreign exchange subscriber. So we can put analog extension like for intercom, analog intercom for home, or we can put analog phone. But mostly we use IP phones, and behind the device we have two ports. We use them for FXO, foreign exchange office, for CO lines, for ITSP lines. So we can make outgoing calls. So we have 32 extensions, 15 concurrent call. About call recording, we have 150 hours, and for voicemail the same thing. And we have conference. We can create up to 15 conference, and we can put 2 FXO or 2 FXS. And there is one model have 1 FXO, 1 FXS if you want, but mostly we use only FXO. And we can put 1 GSM. If we need to put 1 GSM, we have to buy card, GSM daughter card. We put it inside the box. And we can put expansion card. What is expansion card? Expansion card, if we go to terminals and we go to EX16S, this is the expansion card. We can connect this expansion card with Zycoo, so we can connect analog phones like Panasonic phones or like Nortel phones. We can connect these phones with Zycoo, but mostly we use IP phone. So I will go again to IPPBX. So I will explain in this course about U50. So U50 can handle until 30 concurrent calls and 100 IP extension, or you can, if you want, connect expansion card for analog, and we have 150 hours for call recording and voicemails, and we have 30 conference attendant, and we have 8 FXO port. The FXO ports, if we see this image, this is the Zycoo device. We have two slots, slot 1 and slot 2. In these two slots I can put, for example, one card for 4 FXO lines, so I can connect 4 ITSP lines, so I can make 4 outgoing calls at the same time, or I receive 4 incoming calls at the same time. Also you can put another card FXO, so we can put 8 ITSP line, 8 analog ITSP lines, FXO card for analog lines. You can put JSM card, so we can see here this is JSM. If you open this card, you can put GSM card. You can put 4 GSM cards, so you can receive also 4 calls at the same time, but in GSM technology, LTE technology. And this 4 ports you will connect like signal receiver. You will connect signal receiver. You will take it with the card, and we have two ports here, LAN and WAN. LAN, we mostly connect LAN to SIP trunk, and WAN we connect to our local network. Some people they have confused with WAN and LAN. WAN, some people they think will connect to internet or to SIP trunk, but in Zycoo you have to connect WAN to your local network and LAN to your SIP trunk. If you have SIP trunk, what is SIP trunk? SIP trunk, it's type of lines also. You can take it from your ITSP. We have three type of lines: the FXO lines, the analog lines, and we have the GSM, let's say GSM LTE lines, and we have the PRI lines, digital signal, and we have the SIP lines. It's work on VoIP technology. So the SIP lines, we will connect directly SIP lines here inside the LAN port, and I will let you see the configuration for SIP trunk in future. So SIP trunk, it's working for SIP protocol, session initiation protocol, under VoIP technology. And we have console cable. If you have any problem, you can access through console. We will see also how we can access through console. So this is the U50. If we go down, so this is the U50. You can put any type of cards. You have 4 GSM card, you have 4 PRI cards, 4 PRI card, and you have 4 FXO and 4 FXS. 4 FXO for analog lines from ITSP, 4 FXS for analog extensions like Panasonic phones or Nortel phones, 4 GSM for GSM card like LTE technology, and 4 PRI for digital lines from ITSP. So this is the design, and you can see also the features here. We will see many features. I will explain it in the course, like in each lecture I will explain IVR, interactive voice response, how we can fix caller ID problem, video call, paging and intercom, follow me features, one number station, and music on ring bank, call queue, pin set, like we can put password for outgoing calls and conference, call parking, call waiting, call pickup, call transfer, all these features, and call spy and time conditions, wake up calls, smart DID, blacklist. All these features I will explain about it in the course one by one. So just in this lecture, focus about the design, like how many concurrent calls we can receive in U50 device or U20. It's depend on your device, and how many extensions, how many call recording hours, how many cards we can put. And you can see here in this data table, like U20 can up to 1 FXO or 2 FXO, 1 FXS, and for U50, here U50 you can put 4 FXO card. You can see all these features, but I recommend you to see it from here. It's more easy. You can see like U50 8 max, like 8 max means you can put 4 cards for FXO, 4 cards for PRI card, for digital lines. And U80 same thing, we can put 24. U60 I mean U80 you can put maximum 2, and U100 we can put maximum 2 also. So first thing we have to know also the LAN port in Zycoo by default, the IP for LAN port 192.168.10.100 and WAN port 192.168.1.100. So this is basic design for Zycoo. I hope you understand this. I don't want to increase the lecture time. I will explain about how we can access the Zycoo in next lecture. So I hope you can go to zycoo.com and see these features. And if you want to buy Zycoo, you can go to knowledge base, and you can go to partner, find a partner, and you can select here your country, and from your country you will see the partners, and you can buy from them directly Zycoo device, or you can order it from China but if you order it from your partner, it's more easy. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.